Good morning, everyone. Ms. Sue here. I'm going to read you a story called Rain. Do you know where rain comes from? Rain falls from the clouds in the sky. Rainwater collects in puddles, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Do you know that over half of the world is covered by water all of the time? Warmth from the sun makes the water change into an invisible gas called water vapor. Can you say that? Water vapor. Good. The vapor rises into the sky. The vapor moves higher and higher, and when the air gets very cold, this invisible mist turns into millions of tiny droplets of water. The droplets stay in the air and they form a cloud. See all the clouds? You might see some clouds in the sky today. Inside the clouds, the droplets bump into each other and they join together. They get bigger and bigger, and when they are too heavy to be held up by the air, they fall as raindrops. The rain soaks into the ground, and plants drink the water through their roots. It helps them to grow leaves and flowers. Without rain, there would be no plants. So we need the rain for sure. Sometimes huge dark clouds crowd together overhead, and suddenly the day turns stormy. So you see the dark clouds there? Something's going to happen. Raindrops inside the storm clouds carry electricity, and when this electricity escapes, giant sparks called lightning flash across the sky. Lightning jumps from the clouds to the earth faster than you can blink. So that's super fast. Lightning makes the air so hot that it explodes with a terrific crack, boom, and then this is called thunder. So you may have heard that recently in a storm we had. Lightning and thunder happen at the same time, but when things are a long way away, you can see them before you can hear them. So first you'll see the flash of lightning, and then you'll hear the loud boom of thunder. So you'll need to use your eyes and your ears during a storm. Count the seconds between the flashes of lightning and the crashes of thunder. If you count less each time, the storm is coming nearer. 1, 2, 3. If you count more each time, the storm is going away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The storm has gone away, and sunshine warms the water. And then there's a Bear review. It says, warmth from the sun changes water into an invisible gas called, do you remember what we said that was? Water vapor. Good, you were listening. The vapor rises into the sky and turns into millions of water droplets. These form, what's up in the sky that has the water that we see that blocks the sun sometimes? Clouds. Good. The water droplets join together and get bigger and bigger, and when they become too big and heavy, they fall from the sky as, what comes from the sky? Raindrops. Good. That's my story about rain. And with the rain comes the flowers in the springtime. You may see some in your yard already that are coming up. And I have a little poem for you, so if you want, you can make some different color flowers, red, yellow, orange, blue, and pink, and then you can play along with your family or just yourself with my little poem. When you hear the color of my flower, then you can hold it in your hand and stand up. Okay? So here's my poem. It's called Such Pretty Flowers. We are all such pretty flowers growing in Mary's garden bed. When the rain comes down, up come the flowers of red. We are flowers that have grown in the warmth of the sun. Mary tends us gently. Up come the yellow ones. We are flowers in the springtime. We wear our petals bright. Up come the orange flowers. They are quite a pretty sight. We are all blossoms, all in bloom. Here are some in shades of blue. And some of us are wearing pink that glisten in the morning dew. We are flowers in the garden. We are Mary's pride and joy. But if you look more closely, you will see we're girls and boys.